What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe. This is another freestyle video for you guys. This is an interesting app, okay? Esusu, Esusu. I'll put the link below. I think this is very interesting because I know a lot of people who have been in the Susu charts before, groups before, and it has worked extremely well. And this is, if for you guys that do not know what Susu is, it's an old African word or saying. I hope I'm saying it correctly. That has been going on traditions in thousands of years, probably, and it has moved on to other ethnicities. So you pull money together, and everyone contributes, and it helps out everyone that's on there on the chart or whatever. But in the new age, same way, you all put in together on the chart. Who's ever in the middle, they receive the gifts, then they re-gift, come back in, and it keeps the chart moving. So it helps out everyone that's in the middle. Eventually, everyone on the chart moves up in the middle eventually, and it helps out, especially if you have people that come back in, and it keeps it moving. So sometimes it takes a long time because everyone doesn't move as fast as you or the others, but eventually it does work. And if you have been in a Susu chart, or some people called it loom chart or whatever, they had some negativity on that as well in some articles. But this has been a tradition for years for people, families, even major communities before. And I know that certain communities built cities because of this. But this person even went to college because his mom was in a Susu part community. I don't want to say partnership because it's all about gifts. But the Susu app is backed by millionaires. I'm gonna go over that I read. I love reading things like this. You guys know that. So Abbey Wemimo, I don't know if I said that correctly, but he is the co-founder of this app, as well as Samir Goel, and they are teaching financial course, and they are backed by major millionaires. So the age-old meaning of saving and collecting money through a partnership or savings club, like I described to you guys, practiced throughout Africa and the Caribbean. But Abbey, a Nigerian-born entrepreneur, wants to bring that process into the 21st century by creating this app, which they already did. And I believe this is a fintech startup as well. Let's see. Although the name Susu, which means to plan, derives from the Ghanaian Twi language, Abbey mobile app lets you do more than that. On the Esusu app, users can invite their friends and family members to join in, just like on the regular charts. So contribute weekly, bi-weekly, even monthly, depending on preference. It's exactly like the traditional means of rotational savings, except it's digitized, and this is backed by a bank, I believe. So I don't want to bore you guys to death. I'm going to put the entire article in the video. I'm going to read a little bit more, give you a little bit meat of it, and you guys can comment below and tell me what you think. Let's see. To use the platforms, users will have to link their bank accounts to the app. Esusu will then automatically withdraw the specified contribution. 3. Partnership with Evolve Bank and Trust. Esusu is able to hold the withdraw money in a separate account until you need it and things like that. And I think you should, if you join that, still read the blueprint, still see how it will help you and your family out as well. Let's see. Give you some more pointers on this. For Wemimo, I don't know if I said that, I butchered the name. And Esusu will step in and pay the money on behalf of the individual with the expectation that the company will be reimbursed. So just like with the regular Susu, you just come back in, gift back in, and it just keeps rotating like that, guys. So the idea behind Esusu comes from personal experience. Like I said, his mother helped him go to college by participating in the Susu. Let's see. Both of them have put in place some safeguards to protect its users. When the company gets new signups, they run through a KYC database to fend off fraud and scams and things like that. Each payment is seen as fulfilling a loan obligation to the group. So while most landlords don't report rent payments to credit bureaus, even with the launch of the FICO 9 credit framework, Wemimo said if any of its users provide verifiable proof that the rent has been paid, Isusu can verify with the landlord and report this information to the credit bureaus. So not only will you be participating in something that helps your friends and family, you will this will eventually help out your credit. And I thought from previous articles they were going with that as well to help out credit. So that's probably the main reason that it was backed by a lot of millionaires, especially being fintech as well. So if you guys want to know more about that, I'll post a link below in the video. Tell me what you think about that. If you have been in a Susu before, please comment below. See you guys next time on Financial Pro YouTube channel.